All right, here we are at 1920 WOODCREST Drive, unit number 15 here in Winter Park, Florida, 32792. This is the WOODCREST condominium. Right here's a 2-bed, 2-bath, just over 1,000 square foot at 1,010. Your HOA fees here are $403 a month, and it obviously includes that pool. The exterior. This unit just went through a $30,000 upgrade. Obviously, you can tell the kitchens have done, floors have been done. Really nice open space here. Flip left into the master bedroom. Well, technically, 2 master suites, if you will, but this one feels more like a master because the bathroom's right here and it has its separate closet. Cedar lined, and you come in here. Go back out to the living space. Bedroom number 2. Same flooring all throughout, which is nice. Cedar lined closet as you walk through on both sides into the second bathroom. Through the dining and into the kitchen.